Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Wa Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song.
In a hive so bright, where the flowers bloom, lived a bee named Buzz in a sweet golden room. With tiny wings fluttering, oh what a sight! Buzz dreamed of honey, shining and light. Every morning at dawn, with a buzzing delight, Buzz stretched his small legs, ready for flight. Out to the garden, where colors danced free, Buzz gathered the nectar, as busy as can be. He hovered on flowers so lovely and bright, collecting sweet pollen, what a joyful sight. His legs became heavy, but Buzz didn't mind, for the joy of the harvest was what he would find. As the sun started setting, his work done with care, Buzz zigzagged home, floating through the air. With a heart full of happiness and nectar to share, he flew back to the hive, filled with love and flair. The hive gave a buzz, welcoming him home, and Buzz did a dance, never feeling alone. He shared all his stories with friends gathered near. Together they celebrated, spreading sweet cheers. With nectar transformed into honey so fine, Buzz felt so proud, his heart full of shine. The bees tasted sweetness, a treasure they made, for teamwork and hard work is what they displayed. But one day, dear friends, a storm rolled in fast. The winds howled loudly and the shadows were cast. Buzz and his friends, they huddled together, determined to work no matter the weather. They gathered their courage, their wings fluttered bold, working as one, their hearts never cold. Through rain and through thunder, they braved the storm's might. United as one, they shone through the night. When the clouds cleared away and the sun shone bright, Buzz and his friends danced in pure delight. With their hive safe and sound, they rejoiced in their fate, knowing together they could conquer and create. So remember this tale as you dream and you play. With passion and effort, you'll find your own way. For together we flourish, as sweet as can be, like Buzz in his hive, creating joy you see.